Hello! Lina here, very happy that you can be here with me in my art studio. So, what are we gonna draw today? Do you have any good idea? You ask me, I don't know. I have no idea. I heard the 100 art challenge. So what are we gonna draw today? So what is the challenge today? I'm so excited. So what do you propose? Okay, if you don't know, let's ask them what do they think. So what do you think we should draw today? Remember we have a 100 animal art challenge. Now it's on the third one. What do you want to draw? Please write down the comment below here. Let us know what do you want to draw? What animal do you want to draw? And why this is a favorite animal? We really want to know. Let me think about it what we're gonna draw today while we're waiting for them. Okay? Hi there, I'm Lina, a visual artist and illustrator based in Norway. I'm very happy that you come to my art channel. I want to personally give you a warm thank you to come to my Norway Stamp Art channel. And here is my art studio, and inside my art channel, I'm gonna do a lot of interesting things with you. So you can discover my art world here with me. You might ask, Lina, what do you do? Yeah, I like to make art. I like to be creative. I like to make stuff. For the traditional art and digital art, I'm trying both, and I feel like it's just a matter of different material, but the most important thing is here. So all the concept is in your mind. Is something that you want to express, then you really want to express your emotions, your thoughts and everything. Just grab any kind of gears. You know, skills, they will be matured and day by day if you don't give up practicing. Of course, practice in the right way. That's why we have a lot of art channels that inspire you, right? But the most important thing is don't stop practicing. And so on the traditional art part, I like to do acrylic art. I love watercolor art, and also sometimes I do oil painting in the early ages. But now I'm possessed by these two when it comes to painting, and also when you come to the drawing, I like ink drawing, and I also like pencil drawing. If you want to ask, so what do you use to make digital art? And apparently now I'm using two methods, and one is iPad. I use an app and Procreate. I believe a lot of people are using that, and I like it a lot. And also apparently now I'm using a lot of time to research on it and have a stream video about how do I make art on Procreate. If you're interested, you're more than welcome to check out my stream videos. And in another hand, I use Wacom pad. I have a Wacom pad, and I use it with Photoshop when I need to make some illustrations. Yeah, so those are two methods I use on digital art. And if you're doing the same, or you have a lot of other good ideas, just write down the comment below. I really like to see what you guys are using. And if you like traditional art, or if you prefer the digital art form, just also write on the comment. And on this trip, you're not alone. Lina is with you. If you ask me, Lina, so what do you like to draw or paint? I'm telling you, those. I love got inspiration from the nature, and the nature is like, you know, endless resource for you. Every time when I go inside the Norwegian woods, when I go to the ocean, and you know, you find millions of objects that you can observe and you can study and you can draw or paint. And so nature is definitely a big part of my art. And also I love to see human. I observe this lifestyle of humans. Recently I'm doing a project between human and nature, so how do they interact with each other and what the influence will they have on each other. Those are the things that I love to put my time in and really enjoy drawing them or paint them. And yeah, if you're here, you can see that I just started a 100 animals art challenge. If you want to be part of it, you're more than welcome to participate. How do you do that? First, you can see my videos here. As I say, I have stream videos in real time how I draw those 100 animals. During the process, I learn a lot of their shapes and colors. If you really want to dive inside this kind of animal art section, and come and join me. And also you can write on the comment below and tell me what kind of animal you want me to draw. So anyways, love and art and what is the existence of human beings. Well, a lot of thoughts in my art, and in each episode I explain what is on my mind when I create this art piece. What do I think? Why do I need to express myself on this piece of art? If you're curious about those art behind scene, so you got to see my videos, and on my other social media I post some photos and posts. If you want to have a look at more of my artworks and my works in progress, or just some random daily artist vlogs or traveling vlogs and behind the scene pictures in my art studio, feel free to check out my Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me at Norway Stamp Art Studio. In my channel, I have different sections. Section 1, I'm gonna put out a lot of time-lapse art videos there. I hope it's inspirational for you, because through those painting or drawing time-lapse, you're gonna see the process of my art creation. How do I paint or draw artwork from scratch to end. So I hope you can grab your gears and do the art with me. Be creative, like we say that, and I hope you have a happy day every day. Trust me, when you make art, and that will make your life better, so you feel happier. And in section 2, I'm gonna put out some stream video. Those are live streams, so if you have time and you want to draw or paint with me, I hope you will be there, because you're gonna see me draw or paint in real time. So it's not like speed painting or anything, it's real time, so it's really long process. And also I hope it's very enjoyable. Like, you can ask me any questions. If I notice the note, I will leave an answer there. And anyways, I think it's most important that we can have a communication in my art channel. So I think that stream is really a good section that we can have some interactive communications. So what do you think? Are you already interested? Please leave on a comment below. Section 3 is my artist vlogs. I really like to travel in the world, and especially when you experience different cultures and you can see different landscape and also architectures, and it's just amazing. So then you really want to record them by your own eyes and your ears, most importantly by your brushes. So I grab my art gears when I travel, so I draw or paint the view I see, or the person I contact with, or the experience that I feel. I think it's gonna be very real afterwards, because then you can really see what you were thinking at that moment when you travel. We know that the world is so small now because we have internet, and of course we can experience different culture and language through the internet, but also, which is important thing, is we also want to see them and be there by ourselves. I think art is a very good express way that you can just feel emotional or whatever you can feel at that moment, and just grab the most touching moment and record them. And so I highly suggest that you can have your pen or your doodle books or sketchbooks at hand anywhere you go, even on the train, on the plane, or in front of some amazing landscape or cute animals or whatever you see when you travel. Anyways, that will be one part of the travel and artist vlogs. And also in my life, I have a lot art related things I want to share with you guys, so then I will put everything inside my art vlogs. I hope you can enjoy them, and I hope that you would be my friend and see my vlogs and have the special contact with me. So I really want to invite you to be part of my life and also participate in my adventure and be part of my life anyways. So I really hope you can enjoy those art vlogs. Section 4, that will be art therapy exercises. As we all know that we are living in a quite stressful life, busy life, but modern life has a lot of aspects. It shouldn't be the only aspect of your life. You need to have a moment for yourself. And I think art therapy will be a very helpful tool if you know how to do that. For instance, I make a tea bag into art and hung it up on my wall. So every time when I have a look at that and drink my tea, and I just feel very comfortable and peaceful in my mind. And also I'm gonna do some drawings, and during the process it make a lot of comfortable sounds, you know. So I feel like it's one part of art therapy, that an ASMR art, and so I will put that in this section. If you're a fan of ASMR art and or you just, you know, purely enjoy the voice and the sound that when I make art, and remember to click those videos. Now it comes to section 5, one of my favorite parts, Lina's original art and designs. In this part, I'm gonna present to you all my original design and art, and some of them are already published, so you can find in a lot of art shops or libraries and here in Norway. And also I do have some Danish design shop presenting my art and design works, and in addition I have some galleries and museums had my solo exhibition, and of course sometimes a fellow exhibition. And so I think it's very interesting that I can share some experience with you guys inside this art exhibition and fair section, and also those original book and original design product. I'm gonna have some flip through videos there, and I hope you can enjoy my art, and I hope some of the part is speaking to you. In one of my art book is like an interactive books, so it's a memory book as well. I invite you to make your own art on my art book, so in a way those are very personal touches in your memories, then it's gonna be your book. So if you're interested, check in this video. already a lot of art content, isn't it? So if you want to find me in other social media, you can check out my Facebook page and Instagram page, and also my art website. Anyways, you know where to find me on the internet. And it might be have more sections, I don't know. So far I have already built up those sections in my art channel. I think they make my life meaningful, you know, so I'm not alone here. I have all you guys in the world, you know. It's like when I every time make a video or talking to you, or make a stream video or just a short video, I feel like you guys are there, not only in the virtual world and also in the real world, because the emotions are connected with mine. So thank you again for come across to this channel. I'm truly grateful, and just, you know, feel like your thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the little bell button means the whole world to me. In this way, then we have a special connection. So anyways, and I hope you will enjoy your day. As I see, like, it's a happy day with us. I really hope you have a happy day, because happiness, isn't it the most important thing in life that everyone is chasing? Anyways, I'm glad you are here, and remember, we will see you in the next in my channel. Bye!